Alright, 5D. Hopefully everyone's having a wonderful day here. Just going to go over what you need to do to be successful, not just today with this Webquest, but in the days to come. This is the main page. It's called, it's on the link that I put on the Google Classroom there. It's called the Underground Railroad Escape from Slavery. It gives you the route to take, so starting with on the plantation through escape, reaching safety, and then finally reaching freedom. Anytime you see an icon like this, you can click on it.
The Underground Railroad.
And it will read to you. So I'm going to begin the journey. And basically, they'll have a story, a narrative on the side that you can read, that you should read or listen to. You can close that and then interact with the page using the plus signs, which kind of gives you a primary source photo, so it shows you exactly what it looked like. And then if you see this icon here, this means it'll take you to a slideshow that you can go through. And again, you can listen to something, and then this is an activity you can work on that goes through, sometimes it's more information, sometimes it's like how to write in code. There's all sorts of things. But when you're reading any of this, you should be taking notes in your social studies notebook. And if they ask you to, like there's one on Harriet Tubman that has a bunch of questions that you need to research. So that work should be done in your notebook. After you finish a section of the Webquest, so if on number 1 on the plantation, after you've read everything, done all the plus signs, listened to your heart's content, at that point you go back to the Google Classroom, and there will be a is it this one? Nope. There we go. This sheet will be on the assignment. It's called On the Plantation, Life as a Slave. So it is some reflection questions. So you will fill out the answers on your copy of the document and then turn that in through Google Classroom. Hopefully you now know what to do. Remember, that is you'll be doing your work or getting your information from this screen here, doing the plus signs, the slideshows, the activities, listening, and then after you finish all of one, then you go answer the questions, and then you can work on 2, escape. Once you do all of 2, so again, that's reading all of that, listening to it, again, doing the activity, looking at the slideshow, taking notes in your social studies notebook, then you go and fill out the part 2, escape the Underground Railroad reflection. Alright, well, enjoy, learn a ton, and I will see you later today.